The next thing is peak sighting. Make sure when putting the peak sighting, your grooves line up. It's made to line up with each other. And then just, so it'll be a little short, which will be covered by the trim. This one's So again, the trusses are 2 foot on center also, but it's not 2 foot from the outside of the siding. It's 2 foot from the 2x4 outside of the 2x4. So you put on just right. Don't measure the siding. Measure just the 2x4, and then you do 24 on center, and that's where the center of your truss is going to be. And then when nailing your truss, you just split the difference. Make sure there's the same spot in between both. Make sure it's 2 foot on center, and then I nail in like that. Couple, don't get them too close. That one on each, two on one side and one on the other.